This is not what I consider being on guard.
Oh, lighten up, Throttle. We're still watching the armory.
Yeah, we're just having us a nice, friendly little tractor pull contest whilst we maintain our vigilance.
Of course, if you think your bike can't handle it.
Handle it? My bike? Right. You just worry about that tin can of yours, Hotshot. First one to the big tree wins.
All right.
On three.
Come on, little hoss. Do it like I know you can.
1, 2, 3!
The weight of your big behind gives you traction.
Nope. All the credit goes to my sweet darling.
Oh, what's that? It's Karbunkle.
That depraved deviant.
Man, I knew that flatulent felon Limburger would want that gas. Cut loose, bros. Let's rock! And ride!
Well, your mission was successful, I trust.
Gas to the gaseous, your fulsome fragrantness.
Ah, yes. Amazing, isn't it? This one little canister contains enough top-secret knockout gas to make Chicago sleep for 24 hours. All the time I need to gut it.
So good night, sweet citizen. I do hope you have pleasant dreams, because by the time you awaken,
There will be no more Chicago.
What? No!
Fair catch. Easy out.
Game over.
Ah! It's those vexatious vermin again. Get them! I want that canister back!
Whoops. Our adoring fans rushed the field.
Time to play hardball.
Whoa! Sizzle City!
These boys are hot under the collar.
And what they need is a nice, cool drink. Chalk up another successful saving of the city, bros.
I wonder if we can get a government grant.
So close. I was so close. All I want to do is to destroy one single measly, paltry little planet. Is that so much to ask?
A city here, a city there. I'm a patient man. It would all add up. But no! Always those blasted biker mice bring me down. Karbunkle!
Yes, you're Wisconsin's finest.
I require cheering up. Show me something truly nasty. Something evil. Something diabolical. Something that will rid me of those nefarious mice.
Yep, I think you got the formula perfect, Doc.
What are you doing?
My newest invention, your laughing boviness. I call it toxic goo. All we have to do is spill it anywhere we want, and the land is ruined. Then you just volunteer to clean it up, and you can dig up all you want.
My dear Dr. Karbunkle, allow me to point out a tiny flaw in your reasoning. If the land is ruined, why would I want it?
Observe. I just sprinkle on a little of this special powder and voila!
Whoa, hello, Betty. That was fun. Do it again.
Quite brilliant, Doctor.
Thank you.
But useless.
What?
Those rampant rodents will simply arrive and ruin everything as they always do. Those blasted bikes of theirs are too fast, too powerful, too ingenious to fight. If only I could obtain one and learn its marvelous secrets. That's it. That's the solution. We'll set a trap. A toxic trap.
Ah, this is great. Yeah. I mean, even us interplanetary heroes need time off.
There you go, darling. Purdy as a 1-2 punch.
Hey, guys!
Speaking of knockouts...
You guys coming in? The water's great!
What the?
Greasepit.
What's that overload lug nut up to?
I don't know, but if Limburger's behind it, you know it reeks. Let's ride!
Guys, wait up! Oh, man, they're all rats. Those guys are just more obvious about it.
All is in readiness, Herr Cheesemeister. When the biker mice show up, they'll be riding right into a trap.
Yo, yank the tank! It's working. We're holding it. To the line, sweetheart.
So, the mousies want to play tug-of-war, huh? I'll show them.
Can't hold it much longer. This is a real drag.
Excuse me while I grab some guy! What the? Hey, it's that mouse that talks real stupid-like. I'll give him an enlightening education.
Get to safety, little house. I don't want your paint getting scratched.
Pretty tricky, Mousy, but guess where the next one goes? I'm gonna blast your bike.
You low-down scum. You okay, old hoss? What? Uh-oh.
Big fella. Modo! Modo, get out of that goo! Hustle, bro! It's crime slime!
My bike!
Not your bike any longer. I believe it is now my bike. And you two are jailed gerbils.
It's no good. It's Plutarkian steel. Man, what a time to be caught without a can opener. I'm worried about Modo. He's not looking too good. Modo, speak to me, big fella. Oh!
My bros. My bike.
An excellent day's work, Karbunkle. Dispose of those vermin, would you?
Consider them crushingly conquered, your cheddary richness.
Hey, is it just the economy or is housing getting tighter around here? We gotta stop this thing, or we're gonna be two all-mouse patties.
Special sauce.
Lettuce, cheese.
No cheese, no cheese. I hate cheese.
Oh no!
My bros.
2 more seconds. And it's fuzzy flapjack time.
Nobody hurts my bros.
Modo, are you all right? Guys, Modo's in bad shape. That's the last of the goo, but he's pretty weak.
My bike. Ah!
This is weak. Oh, hey, easy, big fella.
He's delirious. Hold him. Modo, listen to me. It's gonna be all right. You're going to be fine, but you have to rest.
My bike. Limburger's got my bike.
We'll get it back, bro.
You promise?
Biker's honor.
Poor big lug. What has that raking fish face done to you?
So what are we waiting for? Let's go dice the big cheese and get Modo's ride back. No, Limburger would be expecting that. I'm sure he's got a full squad of wrench heads on guard. Without Modo, we've lost a key player. We gotta bide our time.
No, that stinking cheese ball better not hurt my bike.
Hey, big fella. Your bike can take care of herself.
Yeah, one thing for sure, she ain't being a model prison.
Grab it, you inept idiot!
I've been having difficulty?
It's alive. It's a mad thing, I tell you. We can't catch it.
Don't be silly, my dear doctor. You're simply incompetent. Letting those wretched rodents escape you.
Look out! It's going to attack!
Nonsense. It's merely a machine reflecting its owner's personality. And that shall be its downfall. Observe. What I have here is the most odious enemy of all rock and roll enthusiasts. Polka music. You see? A little finesse, a little distraction, a little Lawrence Welk.
I'm deeply awed, your cheesiness. You are truly moldy to the core.
It's a gift. Something I was hatched with. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a press conference to attend. Oh, and Karbunkle.
Yes, your polyunsaturatedness.
I'll want to start digging immediately. Make sure there is a sufficient amount of that powder which dissolves the toxic goo.
You can count on me, your whipped creaminess.
Yes, unfortunately, I have no choice. My fellow citizens, as you know, an unexplained toxic spill is even now contaminating one of our fairest waterfront parklands.
Unexplained, huh?
I'd like to unexplain him.
As you know, I have always had special plans for this city.
Yeah, to turn it into a giant crater.
And so, in the interests of the public good, I now volunteer the Limburger Toxic Cleanup Corporation to take care of this tragic spill. Of course, it will require a great deal of expensive digging, but I am prepared to shoulder the cost. It would be a tragedy to put Chicago in the hole, as it were.
Stop him.
And get my bike back.
I've got an idea, but we need that knockout gas. Let's get back to the garage and hurry. before the city's best park. Takes a one-way ride to Plutarch.
The park's dead ahead, you goons. Get ready to dig a whole lot of fun.
No, Limburger's not taking any chances. I never seen so many ugly bozos with blasters.
You gotta get my bike. If Karbunkle so much as dings a fender out...
Easy, bro. We'll get it. Charlie's got a great plan.
It's a dangerous plan.
That's why I like it.
Listen up, then. I've hooked up the sleep gas canister to this button. Fire it when you get inside.
Yeah, get to the good part, sweetheart.
And this is your new supercharger.
Getting warmer.
It will give you 30 seconds of supersonic speed. Got that?
Yeah! Can this girl cook or what?
Listen to me. 30 seconds. No more. After that, boom. The supercharger goes up like a bomb. And if it's still on the bike, so do you.
Impending catastrophe. That's why I love it.
He's a wild man.
How has he lived this long?
Well, if he takes more than 30 seconds, he won't live much longer.
There now. Just hold still. This won't hurt a bit. I'm just going to cut you open and look at your brain. What? Not again?
Yeah, baby. Let's shift into third. Eat my dust, sweetheart!
Blast! Not this time. Please.
Full second to spare. Hardly even exciting. Now it's up to Throttle and Modo.
Oh, you know he's loving this.
Come on, Throttle, kick it. My bike's in there.
We're not exactly in control of this situation, are we? Somehow we gotta find a way to take those creeps out.
Not us.
What do you mean?
This ain't our fight. Go get him, little hoss.
That's my bike, and she whiptail or what?
Yeah, she's the best. But we still gotta do something about Greasepit and that toxic goo.
Hey, she's trying to tell us something.
Oh, come on.
Hey, I know my bike. What you saying, darling?
I'll be darned.
Told you.
Time to save the park, bros. And just to keep Limburger too busy to stop us, let's yank and crank!
Behind me, you see the digging crews from the Limburger Industries getting ready to clean up this mysterious toxic spill. Tragically, this environmentally necessary cleanup will result in the destruction of this beautiful parkland. Wait, something's happening.
Darn them dang mices!
Ladies and gentlemen, something amazing has just happened. 3 mysterious motorcyclists have just caused the toxic spill to vanish. The park appears to be saved.
So hey, are we good or what? The best! Always have been, always will be.
You did good, Bike. You did real good.
Now, let's rock and ride!
Blast them hog-riding hamsters. When the big cheese finds out about this, them mice are in for a... What the? Excuse me.
I'm in a bad mood. A very bad mood. I need something to cheer me up. And I know just what would do it.